Hello and welcome back to Neuralink News TV. In today's video I want to take you inside Atlas from Boston Dynamics and the components which make it operate. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content. Thanks guys. Atlas has one of the world's most compact mobile hydraulic systems. Custom motors, valves, and a compact hydraulic power unit enable Atlas to deliver high power to any of its 28 hydraulic joints for impressive feats of mobility. Atlas's advanced control system enables highly diverse and agile locomotion, while algorithms reason through complex dynamic interactions. Atlas uses 3D printed parts to give it the strength-to-weight ratio necessary for leaps and somersaults. So now we know how Atlas works. What exactly will the robot be used for? As well as assisting in humans' daily lives, the biggest task and goal for Atlas will be to explore Mars and other planets in our solar system. When these robots are tasked to explore these challenging environments, they do require high levels of autonomy. They need to make decisions on their own, because soon they might go out of the communication range. Especially when they're exploring caves, they lose communication to the astronauts, or to the orbiter, or lander on the surface. So at the moment, NASA's investment on legged platforms and full autonomous systems are on the research and development side. At the moment, it's in the orders of hundreds of thousands of dollars per project to push the technology forward, to learn from it, but when they become a mission, like the Mars rover mission, with all the launch and safety critical aspects of the project. Right? Because you can buy a Spot robot off the shelf for $75,000. I'm guessing your robots are a bit more advanced than that. Correct. So we have the Spot robot that comes from Boston Dynamics as the base of the locomotion, and on top of that, we put the payload, meaning the processors, sensors and capabilities that allow this robot to make decisions on its own when it's out of range. A lot of technologies we develop do have direct applications on Earth. Great example is, if you remember, a few years ago we had Thailand boys who got stuck in a cave, and the whole world were trying to help and rescue them. And there was really a need for robotic capabilities that you can send and they can map the cave and say, okay, this is the location. This is what it takes to get there. That's just one example. Mining industry, oil and gas industry, agriculture, search and rescue, all these application sectors can benefit from robotic systems and autonomy. So I hope you have learned something new in today's video and stay tuned for all the latest updates on Atlas. Have a great day and remember to subscribe for the next one.